Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Tutor. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Its simplicity, versatility, and vast community make it an ideal tool for both beginners and experts. But how did Python come to be? In this video, we'll take a look at the history of Python. Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python, started working on the language in the late 1980s. He was a computer programmer at the time and was looking for a language that would be easy to use and efficient. He wanted to create a language that would be a cross between C and BASIC, two popular languages at the time. In 1991, Guido released the first version of Python, version 0.9.0. It was a simple language with just 32 keywords, but it was enough to get people interested. Python was open source from the beginning, which meant that anyone could use it and contribute to its development. Over the next few years, Python gained a small but dedicated community. People liked the language because it was easy to learn and use. It was also portable, which meant that it could be run on different operating systems. Python's community grew through mailing lists, newsgroups, and online forums. In 2000, Python 2.0 was released. This version included a number of new features, including list comprehensions, a garbage collector, and support for Unicode. Python 2.0 was a significant milestone in the language's development and helped to cement its popularity. In 2001, the Python Software Foundation was created. This non-profit organization was established to promote, protect, and advance the Python programming language. The Python Software Foundation continues to play an important role in the development of Python today. In 2008, Python 3.0 was released. This version of Python was not backward compatible with Python 2.x, which meant that some existing Python code would need to be modified to work with Python 3.0. Python 3.0 was a major overhaul of the language and included many new features, including improved Unicode support and a simplified syntax. Today, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It's used in a wide range of industries, including web development, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Python's simplicity and versatility make it an ideal tool for both beginners and experts. And that's the history of Python. From its humble beginnings as a simple language created by one person to its status as a world-renowned programming language, Python has come a long way. And with its active community and ongoing development, Python is sure to continue to evolve and grow in the years to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you next time.